Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about stretch marks, a common skin condition that affects millions of people around the world. Whether you're dealing with stretch marks yourself or just curious about what they are and how to treat them, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about stretch marks, including what causes them, how to prevent them, and some effective DIY solutions you can try at home. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what stretch marks are and what causes them. Stretch marks are narrow, streak-like lines that can appear on your skin when it's stretched too quickly or too much. They're most commonly found on the abdomen, thighs, hips, and breasts, and can be pink, red, or purple when they first appear. There are several reasons why someone might develop stretch marks. For women, pregnancy is one of the most common causes, as the skin on the belly stretches to accommodate the growing fetus. Other causes include rapid weight gain or loss, puberty-related growth spurts, and even certain medications or medical conditions that affect the skin's elasticity. Now, let's move on to the good stuff: how to prevent and treat stretch marks. While there's no guaranteed way to completely eliminate stretch marks, there are several things you can do to minimize their appearance and prevent them from getting worse. Maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly. This can help you maintain a healthy weight and avoid sudden weight gain or loss, which is one of the major causes of stretch marks. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help keep your skin hydrated and supple, which can reduce the likelihood of developing stretch marks. Use moisturizer. Regularly applying moisturizer to your skin can help improve its elasticity and reduce the appearance of existing stretch marks. Massage the affected area. Gently massaging the affected area with a moisturizer or oil can help increase blood flow and promote healing. Consider using topical treatments. There are several topical treatments available, such as retinoids, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid, that can help improve the appearance of stretch marks. Consider professional treatments. For severe or persistent stretch marks, professional treatments such as laser therapy, microdermabrasion, or chemical peels may be necessary. If you prefer natural or DIY solutions, here are some effective options. Aloe vera. Applying aloe vera gel to the affected area can help soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. Coconut oil. Massaging coconut oil into the skin can help improve its elasticity and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a popular ingredient in many skincare products and is known for its ability to moisturize and improve skin elasticity. Applying cocoa butter to the affected area regularly can help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, such as lavender, rose, and chamomile, have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Mix a few drops of your chosen essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, and apply it to the affected area. Sugar scrub. Exfoliating the affected area with a sugar scrub can help improve blood flow and promote healing. Mix sugar and coconut oil to create a paste and massage it into the skin before rinsing off with warm water. Stretch marks are a common skin condition that can be caused by a variety of factors. While there's no guaranteed way to eliminate stretch marks completely, there are several things you can do to prevent them from getting worse and reduce their appearance. Maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, using moisturizer, massaging the affected area, and using topical or professional treatments are all effective options. If you prefer natural or DIY solutions, aloe vera, coconut oil, cocoa butter, essential oils, and sugar scrubs are all great options to try. Thank you for watching.